the god of mischief, wasn't always destined for heroism. It starts with a fall. Loki plummets from Asgard, consumed by jealousy and rage. When he returns in the Avengers, he's no longer just a bitter brother. He's a monster willing to destroy entire worlds. But then something strange happens. Each time Loki dies, he comes back a little more human. His first fake death in the Dark World reveals a crack in his armor when he saves Jane Foster. In Ragnarok, he makes his first real sacrifice, choosing Asgard over his own survival, and finally facing Thanos in Infinity War. Loki doesn't die as the god of mischief, he dies as Odinson, protector of his brother. The Disney Plus series reveals the shocking truth. Across infinite timelines, every version of Loki faces the same choice: stay a villain forever, or learn to love something more than himself. The ones who choose love, they all meet the same heroic end. Turns out, Loki's greatest trick wasn't fooling others, it was fooling himself into thinking he couldn't change.